Hello everyone. Welcome back to Information Arc, where we dive deep into the world of tech. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos. Today, we're going to uncover some mind-blowing facts about OpenAI's newest AI model, GPT-O1. Trust me, there are some hidden gems about this AI that will leave you shocked. Stay with us till the end, surely you are going to know something that will surprise you. At first, let's break down exactly what GPT-O1 is. For those of you who might not know, GPT-O1 is OpenAI's latest and possibly most advanced AI language model to date. It's designed to understand and generate human-like text in ways we've never seen before. But, it's much more than just an upgrade to GPT-4. Okay, so here's the first mind-blowing fact. GPT-O1 is fully multimodal. That means it doesn't just understand text, it can process images, sounds, and even video. Imagine interacting with an AI that can analyze an image or even summarize an entire video for you. We're talking about an AI model that's breaking the barriers of how we interact with technology. With this capability, it opens up insane possibilities for content creators, educators, and even scientists. The potential is limitless. Now, here's something really unexpected. GPT-O1 allows for personalized AI models. Yes, you heard that right. Each user can essentially create their own customized version of GPT-O1, fine-tuned for their specific needs. Whether you're a content creator, a programmer, or even a student, you can have an AI model trained just for you. Think of the implications this has, an AI that knows you and your needs better than ever before. We're moving toward a future where every individual has their own personalized AI assistant, powered by GPT-O1. Another huge fact. OpenAI is making GPT-O1 more accessible than any of their previous models. This time around, scalability is key. Whether you're a small developer or a large enterprise, you'll have access to this technology. It's not just for researchers or big companies anymore. This accessibility will completely change the way AI tools are used. Imagine smaller companies and independent creators now having the power to use AI tools as advanced as GPT-O1. Now, let's talk about something very important: ethics and safety. OpenAI is really pushing the boundaries when it comes to responsible AI usage. GPT-O1 comes equipped with advanced guardrails to avoid harmful or misleading outputs. This is crucial, especially as AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives. They're using real-time monitoring and feedback systems to ensure the model doesn't generate toxic content or biased information. This focus on safety is what makes GPT-O1 so revolutionary in its approach. Alright, now this one's going to blow your mind. GPT-O1 can adapt and learn on the fly. Unlike previous models, where fine-tuning required manual work, GPT-O1 can take feedback from users and improve its performance dynamically. This kind of dynamic learning means that over time, GPT-O1 becomes more accurate, more efficient, and more suited to your specific tasks. We've never seen anything like this before in any previous AI model. Here's a bonus fact that really got me excited. OpenAI envisions GPT-O1 as a true collaborator with humans, not just a tool. Imagine working alongside this AI, whether you're brainstorming new ideas, solving complex problems, or even creating art. It's not just about automation, it's about collaboration. The vision behind GPT-O1 isn't just about AI doing things for us, but with us. And that, in my opinion, is the future of technology. So there you have it, folks. These are just some of the mind-blowing facts about OpenAI's latest GPT-O1 model. With all these advancements, we're looking at a future where AI is more integrated, accessible, and personalized than ever before. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and drop a comment down below. Let me know which feature of GPT-O1 excites you the most. And as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.